Welcome to the fascinating world of insects. These tiny creatures are a marvel of nature and are found in almost every corner of the globe. From the hottest deserts to the coldest tundra, insects manage to thrive and adapt. There are over 1 million species of insects, and scientists believe there could be millions more waiting to be discovered. That's more than all the species of plants, animals, and fungi combined. Just imagine, for every single human on Earth, there are about 200 million insects. Quite a crowd, isn't it? Insects come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are as small as a grain of sand, while others are as big as a bird. Some insects are masters of disguise, blending in perfectly with their surroundings, while others flaunt vibrant colors and intricate patterns that would make any artist green with envy. But insects aren't just about diversity and beauty. They play a crucial role in our ecosystems. They pollinate plants, helping fruits, vegetables, and flowers to grow. They break down dead plants and animals, recycling nutrients back into the soil. They are also a crucial part of the food chain, serving as food for birds, bats, reptiles, and other animals. Despite their size, insects are incredibly strong and resilient. They can carry loads many times their own weight. Some can even regrow lost limbs. Their hard exoskeletons protect them from predators and harsh environments. So the next time you see a crawling or flying around, remember, it's not just an insect. It's a survivor, a tiny engineer, a miniature artist, and a key player in our ecosystem. To meet some of these amazing creatures, have you ever seen an ant carrying something much bigger than itself? It's a common sight, isn't it? But have you ever wondered how they do it? Let's take a closer look. Ants are incredibly strong and can hoist and transport objects that are up to 20 times their own body weight. That's like a kindergartner lifting a car. What's their secret? Well, ants have a super exoskeleton, a hard outer shell that provides protection and gives them their amazing strength. They also work together in large numbers, forming a team that's unstoppable. Ants are not just strong, they're also super organized. They form complex colonies, with each ant having a specific job to do. From gathering food, taking care of their young ones, to defending their home, every ant plays a crucial role in the survival of their colony. Strong and small, that's an ant for you. Ever wonder why bees buzz around flowers? Well, bees have a very important job in nature, which is to assist in pollination. Pollination is like a plant's way of exchanging messages. When a bee lands on a flower, it gathers the flower's pollen on its body. As it moves to the next flower, some of this pollen rubs off, allowing the flowers to talk to each other and produce seeds. But that's not all. Bees also make something we all love: honey. They collect nectar from flowers and carry it back to their hive. Here they transform it into honey through a process that involves a lot of teamwork. The bees store this honey as food for the hive, but luckily for us, they make more than they need, so we get to enjoy some too. So the next time you see a bee buzzing around, remember, bees not only make honey, but they also help flowers grow. Butterflies may look delicate, but did you know they travel long distances? Yes, that's right. Butterflies, especially the monarch butterflies, are known for their incredible migratory journey. They can travel up to 3,000 miles, from the far north of North America to the warm forests of Mexico, where they spend the winter. This epic journey is not a simple one. Monarch butterflies face many challenges along the way, such as harsh weather and lack of food, but their strong wings and determination help them overcome these obstacles. They're like tiny explorers, navigating their way through the massive world around them. But what's more amazing is that these butterflies started their lives as tiny, crawling caterpillars. After a period of growth and transformation inside a protective shell called a chrysalis, they emerge as beautiful, fluttering butterflies. This process is called metamorphosis, and it's quite a marvel of nature. From caterpillar to butterfly, what a journey! Grasshoppers can leap to great heights. Can you guess how high? Well, let's unlock this mystery together. These tiny creatures are like the superheroes of the insect world. Fascinatingly, a grasshopper can jump 20 times the length of its body. Imagine if you could do that. You could leap over your house, across your street, maybe even over a tall building. Now, how does a grasshopper achieve this super leap? It's all thanks to their strong hind legs. They store energy in these legs like coiled springs, and when they're ready to jump, they release all that energy at once. Talk about a power surge. It's not just the jumping that's impressive. Grasshoppers are also expert navigators. Even while jumping so high and far, they can control their direction and land exactly where they want to. So next time you see a grasshopper, remember, you're looking at one of the best jumpers in the insect world. Did you know some insects only come out at night? One of these creatures of the dark is the intriguing moth. Unlike their daytime-loving butterfly cousins, moths are night owls, or should we say, night bugs. That's right, moths are nocturnal, meaning they're most active when the sun goes down. Now you might be wondering, how do they see where they're going in the dark? Well, moths have a special trick up their wings. They use the moon as their very own GPS. By keeping the moon at a constant angle, they can fly in a straight line. This method of navigation is known as transverse orientation. But why do they prefer the night? It's a great time to find food without too many predators around. Plus, the night is full of sweet-smelling flowers that moths can't resist. Moths may be small, but they have a big job to do at night. Wow! We've met so many incredible insects. Let's take a moment to revisit some of the most surprising facts about each of our tiny friends. First up, we have the industrious ant. Despite their small size, ants are incredibly strong and can carry up to 50 times their own body weight. That's like a kindergartner lifting a car. They also live in large colonies, with some housing millions of ants. Talk about a big family. Next, we buzzed over to meet the busy bee. Bees are vital for pollination, which helps plants to reproduce. Without bees, we wouldn't have many of the fruits and vegetables we love. Plus, they make delicious honey, sweet. We then fluttered over to the beautiful butterfly. Did you know butterflies taste with their feet? That's right. Their taste sensors are located on their feet. They also go through a magical transformation called metamorphosis, changing from a caterpillar into a stunning butterfly. Following the butterfly, we hopped over to the jumping grasshopper. Grasshoppers can leap 20 times the length of their body. That's like us jumping the length of 2 basketball courts in a single bound. Incredible, isn't it? Finally, we ended with the night-flying moth. Moths are not just the night version of butterflies. They are unique in their own way. For instance, some moths don't even eat. They live off the fat they stored as a caterpillar. Remember, even the smallest insect has a big role in our world. Each one of them contributes to the balance of nature in their own unique way. They may be small, but their impact is mighty. So the next time you see an insect, take a moment to appreciate them. Until next time, keep exploring. Remember, there's always something new to learn and discover in the fascinating world of insects. Before we wrap up this journey into the world of insects, join the Star Skills Club family. Hit like, subscribe, explore more. Until next time, happy learning.